Hello, beautiful people. I just wanted to show you guys some ornaments I made. I'm calling these sugar cookie ornaments. I got the idea from one very happy bird, or Happy Bird's glitter nest. And what I did was I bought these wooden pieces for 33 cents at Michael's. And I put some glossy accent and a few layers of glossy accent, diamond dust, glossy accent, diamond dust, and some pink glitter. And I also put like a translucent flower sticker, and then I put some more glossy accent and diamond dust. Then I made a bead dangle. I also used an emery board or a nail filer to file a little bit around before I used my silver leaf pen. And I just love, and this is kind of heavy. And here is this one. I used a purple translucent sticker, and it's like glass. It's really very pretty. Here is this one. And the last one I have here. I really love how these turned out. And they're pretty ornaments, or you can just put them on your window for decoration or your rearview mirror. All right, well, thank you for watching. And this was my newest craft. Hope you liked it. Bye.